Right, this is it, part 4 is here, and yeah, all we're going to be doing is riding the bike. Done 39 miles on the bike already, feels absolutely great, seems really reliable, seems like a really good bike, but this is going to be the first major ride out. It's going to be 30 odd miles to Southport from Lymm in Cheshire, so yeah, let's go for it. Yeah! Yeah, so as you can hear, the bike is running spot on, so hopefully shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. Should be absolutely fine. Take it really easy, no rush on a bike like this whatsoever. Let's go for it. Gonna really enjoy this ride. Let's go. Let's go. Well, then I'm 29 miles into my journey. I've just stopped here on the outskirts of Ormskirk at Edgehill University. Look at this place, absolutely stunning. And the bike is behaving absolutely perfectly, not a problem whatsoever. I'm really enjoying riding it. I can absolutely understand why people loved these bikes years ago, back in the 80s when they first came out, or the late 70s even, and people still love them today. Absolutely fantastic bike. Honestly, absolutely, really enjoyed this 30 miles I've just done on it. Absolutely buzzing. Just looking forward. I think I've got another 10-15 miles. No, maybe 10, I don't know. Ormskirk to Ainsdale anyway. So yeah, let's go. Let's complete the last bit of the journey. Yay! Well, just arrived at Susie's. 40 miles in it is. No motorways whatsoever, all A roads.
Shut up.
Here she is.
No. Take that off.
It's a lovely Susie. lovely Susie.
Now you're going to have to do it again.
No, I'm not.
I'm swearing on purpose you can't put it on the internet.
No, I'm not.
No, fuck you.
So there we go.
No, you're doing it again.
No. Right then, just arrived at Susie's house. 40 miles in, the whole journey. Didn't go on one motorway, all A roads. Virtually problem free. The only little problem that I've had is the rev clock stopped working, which is probably something wrong. We've got no rev clock, but never mind. It's Susie. So all good really. Are you going to get on the bike, Susie? No. Well, let's see you get on it.
No,
I'll turn it off first. Come on.
No.
Well, just jump on the bike on the front and see if you can get on it. Remember exhausts are hot, yeah? So you're going to see if you can get on it.
I've got my flip-flops on.
You'll be alright.
You're such a dick.
Remember exhaust, don't touch exhaust. Yeah, woohoo, yeah. What do you think of that?
Oh, can I get off now? I feel the heat on the flip-flops.
Oh yeah, what do you think of it?
Oh my god, your mum's going
Oh
to
my
tell me off
god,
for sticking my tongue out.
you really suit that bike.
Come on.
Anyone would think you'd come straight out in 1983. You lovely idiot. Cool. Alright. Yeah, you
Right,
can get off it now if you want. If you want to, you get him on the back tomorrow. Yeah, put it away now and hopefully get out on it tomorrow. Right then, it's 20. What's over here?
I'm like that.
Right, you ready? Yeah. Right then, it's the 21st of August 2022. Bought the bike 15th of July 2022. So just under a month and 1 week since buying the bike. And yeah, obviously did the ride over yesterday, which you've seen. It's now Sunday, so
Made me look like a divvy.
we're going to go for a spin. I've been persuading Susie. It took me quite a while to persuade her to get on the back, but she has agreed to get on the back. So we're going to sample the King and Queen seat right now before we get our gear on. So yeah, I'll get on. So you're going to jump on?
No, I don't want to do it now.
No, we're just going to sample it. Come on, put the legs down for you. See how comfy you think that is?
Oh yeah.
Like it?
Yeah.
Think you're going to hold on there?
Yeah.
You're not going to fly off the back, are you, when they accelerate?
My ass doesn't fly anywhere.
So you like that, yeah?
Yeah. It's fine.
So you're ready to get on the back, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, let's go get your gear on
You're
then.
embarrassing me.
Right, you go get your gear on. I'll be faster than you. But what I was going to do, start from cold, so you can all hear it start from cold, obviously. There's the exhaust, absolutely freezing cold. Not started today, so let's see what it starts like with no choke whatsoever. Excuse me on one a little bit. Not now. Wasn't quite right, it was on one cylinder at the start then, but it soon sorted its head out. Right, go get my gear on. Let's get the bike facing the right way for starters. Ta-da! Right then, all geared up and we're ready to go.
Oh, that's yours.
It's goddamn warm.
Too warm. You have to help me with this before you put your gloves on. Seagull. Those kids are
Let's come back to the camera.
Weatherspoons! Tim loves a good old Weatherspoons.
So here we are back, Southport biker meet. Absolutely stacked loads of bikes here. It seems to be making where we park our bikes smaller though. Keep bringing these blue things in and putting a fence up there, which I'm not too happy about. Here's the scooter boys. Here's Susie. Here's a CX.
Why didn't you go back to the cafe?
Look at these beauties. Oh yes.
You can always tell if somebody's sweet. I talk to guys, oh yeah. You never said, oh yeah, yeah. 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 That's how you always tell. I've bought many guys out with that. Oh, yeah.
Old Triumph Bonneville here. Unit construction. Look at this here. Vulcan 1500. Beautiful bike. Oh my god, what's this here? Honda Super 4. 404. Absolutely well original. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. I've actually got one of these at home, but half in pieces. We'll be restoring soon in another video. Exactly the same as that. ZZR 1400. Oh yes, one of my favourite bikes. You alright? So what do you think of the CX500 then for comfort?
I feel embarrassed. Stop
Is it comfortable or what?
Yeah, it's very comfortable. No vibrations in the old ass. No, it's very good for an old bike.
Good God.
The old bike likes an old bike.
Look at this Harley here. Seriously nice bike. Little Vespa. Bandit 1200. Look at this thing. Ooh, GSX 1000. Lovely bike. God, I don't even know most of these modern ones. Super modern to me. You all know what that one is. Bandit 1200. Look for the aluminium swing arm. It's got an aluminium swing arm. It's a 1200. Look at that little Benelli there. God, look at this old beast there. Vickers Enfield. Never even heard of one. Big neck.
Ah, right, yeah.
Probably about 100 years old.
Raise your eyes, boy. I'll pull that a piss with her.
Absolute stunner.
It's not like that, is it real? Like?
No, it really hurts.
It really stings. No, it's nice, man. Lovely. Alright.
That's what we're ready for.
That's my next plan.
Modern BMW. Z1000 SX. ZX12RA, one of my favourite bikes. Absolute beautiful machine. Is the owner. Lovely little spot here. Just road 2 right at the top of Southport. There's Coastal Road. Just see Southport Bridge all the way down there. You can see the pier just about. One of our favourite little spots, come here quite a lot. Absolutely lovely. See, the CX is still riding well, doing as it's told. Really happy. Let's move on. So there we go, bike still running sweet, ticking over nicely here. Just at the top of Southport still. And yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye. This is it. It's the end of this CX500 video. Are we? She might want to go to Morecambe Bay apparently. We might have some more videos coming. Look at that, what a fucking view there, eh? You can see Blackpool Tower right over there. You probably can't see it on the video, but I can see Blackpool Tower. See the big one. off your phone. Give us a wave. Give us a wave. Look at this beast, it's just turned up next to the CX. Funky rat. Look at that. There's the CX. There's the funky rat.
I've got an oxyacetylene torch to swap over to the gear stick.
Happy neck. Woohoo! Old school. It's like free tax and no MOT. The gear sticks are good. Brilliant. That's it. We didn't go to Morecambe. Just came over to the Scotch Piper, which is here. This pub's been open since 1320. We're going to have a nice pint. That's it, last bit of the video. Cheers, Susie.
Cheers, darling. Cheers.
Yeah, big time.
Thank you.